Hey beauty enthusiasts! Today I'm giving you all the secrets you need to nail the perfect spray tan. Let's dive right in. First up, exfoliation. Do this 24 hours before your spray tan. Why? Because it removes those pesky dead skin cells and gives you a smooth canvas for an even tan. Use a gentle, oil-free scrub and pay extra attention to rough spots like your elbows, knees, ankles, and heels. Remember, avoid oil-based exfoliators. We don't want any residue blocking that golden glow. Next, shaving or waxing. Get this done at least 24 hours before your appointment. Trust me, you don't want irritated skin or uneven absorption of the tanning solution. If you're shaving, go gentle with the razor and skip heavy moisturizers afterward. Speaking of moisturizers, ditch them on the day of your spray tan. Lotions, oils, and deodorants can create a barrier on your skin. If you really need deodorant, go for a clear, gel-based one. Now let's talk clothing. Wear loose, dark clothes and flip-flops or sandals. Tight clothing can rub off the tanning solution, and the last thing we need is stained fabrics. Before your appointment, strip off that makeup and perfume. They can interfere with the tanning solution and leave you with patchy results. Got long hair? Bring hair ties or clips to keep it off your face and neck during the spray tan. Communication is key. Talk to your technician about your desired shade and any areas to focus on or avoid. Don't forget to mention any skin sensitivities or allergies. Finally, aftercare. Wait 6-8 hours before showering to let the tan develop. Moisturize daily with a gentle, hydrating lotion to keep your tan looking fresh. Skip exfoliation until your tan starts to fade, and when you do shower, pat your skin dry instead of rubbing. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to a flawless, natural-looking spray tan. Thanks for watching, and happy tanning.